Hey you guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to another episode with the Canning Nana. So today is Tuesday and I am really tired. I'm feeling better, but I'm just really tired and all of this looks a little bit daunting right now. So I am going to start processing the corn as I can, but definitely the corn cob jelly is going to be delayed another day, you guys. And I'm going to, my garden to pantry collab is supposed to start today, and I am the first day, and I already can't make it. This infection has really got me. It's just draining the energy. I'm feeling better. I'm doing better. It's just I don't have energy. And I do Le-Vel. You guys know I sell Le-Vel and my Thrive vitamins, and I'm taking those. And normally they will just perk me back up and give me energy to do stuff. And I do have more energy than I did yesterday. I will say that. But I'm still not feeling 100%. I'm probably about 60-70%. So I'm getting there. I am going to try to process all of this corn because I can't just let it sit here. Same with the peppers and stuff. So I bought cauliflower to do pickled cauliflower along with some pickled carrots. So I'm going to do a mixture of pickled carrots, onions, and cauliflower. And I may try a ferment. I'm not sure. So, and I got blueberries. I'm going to make some blueberry lemon jam. Poblano peppers, poblano peppers. I'm going to, I should say, I want to make chili rellenos. I've never made them before, but I'm going to try. And then all of these are hatch chili peppers, and I need to get these roasted and canned, and some frozen. But I need to get more because the season is so short, and I've got to get these processed. So this is what I keep looking at, and I keep thinking, oh my, what have I done? So these are super sweet corn, and most of these are going to be canned. I'm going to be canning the corn. They come from a local farmer here to me, and these are super sweet. They're a mixture of white and yellow. They are so good. Perfect for corn and perfect for corn cob jelly. And I'm also going to be setting aside some and freezing them, cutting corn cobs in half and then freezing them like that for dinners for us. Probably just do like 4 or 5 cobs like that, and then the rest into corn and corn cob jelly. So to make corn cob jelly for one batch, you need about 12 cobs. And I think I bought 30 ears of corn, and I can go get more if I need to, but at this point, these aren't getting done, so I'm not going to be doing that. Right now, the corn is 5 for $1 at my local farm, not the farmer's market, but directly at the farm. So it's a really good deal, and normally I would buy 150 ears, you guys. But I knew this was going to happen. I knew I wasn't feeling up to it, so I only got 30, which is unheard of. And we don't have, I think I have 1 case of corn left, and that's from 2 years ago. So we're going off of that because I have never canned corn in this house. So I've dehydrated it, but and we're here 2.5 years. So I've never canned corn here, or a little over 2 years, I guess. But yeah, so that's where I'm at. So please forgive me for the late videos. I'm really sorry that I am really late with the jam for the August Jamboree. I will get it out, and the other one is going to be corn cob jelly, and the other is lemon curd. So I will be doing that. I'm also going to be doing blueberry jam, blueberry lemon. So I will get that out and include that on the Jamboree. The least I can do. So, and if I make any other jam, then I'll include that too. But this is what I'm looking at right now. So, yeah. So keep watching my videos. Keep entering. Do the word of the day. I am shooting for a Friday live right now. We'll see how I am, and we'll go from there. So today's word of the day is corn. You can't guess why, right? So, word of the day, corn. So put that in the comment section, and watch for your heart and fireworks, your purple heart and fireworks, you guys. That's me. So that'll get you entered to win one of my prizes, and we'll be starting to give stuff away on Friday, a week later than what I wanted. And I think once we're get done giving all this away, we're probably going to be going into 7,000 subscriber giveaways, because my channel's growing really, really quickly. And I want to say welcome to all of you guys. And I do word of the day contests and give away a bunch of stuff at the end of the month. Usually I'm really late this month, so this is not how I usually am, you guys. So I'm really sorry, but thanks for sticking by me and supporting me. Keep watching my videos, guys. I really appreciate it. It does help my channel. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. You do need to subscribe in order to win one of my giveaways. And hit that like button and leave a comment. It helps my algorithm with YouTube, and I really, really appreciate the help right now. Thanks, you guys, for everything, and please stick with me. Good things are coming. Just let me be 100% well, or at least 80% well, and then we'll get this stuff out to you, okay? I will see you soon.